Your breath is the rhythm of life, a sacred force that grounds you in the present and unlocks the energy within. Sound is its companion, a vibration that moves through you, reaching where words cannot, awakening the spaces where transformation begins. Together, breath and sound create a powerful synergy, one that clears the mind, frees the heart, and realigns the soul. This is the power of our Sonic Breathwork technology and modality, a fusion of ancient breathing techniques and immersive, cutting-edge soundscapes designed to help you heal, awaken, and prosper. Step into the experience, feel the shift, live the transformation. Download the Beats and Breath app today.